Well, it's been an interesting day today, and I am starving to death. So what's for dinner? Alright, dinner tonight is actually going to be fish sandwiches. I'm doing these in the Flavor Wave because they do not recommend microwaving them. Now I could use the convection and the brown on my oven, my microwave, but this will crisp them up a lot better than the microwave would. I got kind of a kick out of this, that it reclosable zipper. Yeah, well, guess what? There's the zipper there. It ain't stuck to the back. Alright, Gordons, you gotta step up. So anyway, what did I do that was so interesting? Well, it wasn't that interesting, actually. I did get my step fixed. Well, once again, I'm going to say it's fixed. We'll see. Time will tell the tale. But for now, it's working again. Well, fixed again. Hopefully this relay made the difference. I believe it was in fact the relay, and I managed to find another relay in my trailer. It's amazing what's in my trailer. Alright, so I got it set at 450. In about 25 minutes, I'll turn him about halfway. Probably won't even take that long. You probably heard the dinger keep going off when I was leaving Moab and coming out of the mud hole. And that dinger is the, it's telling you that the fluid level is low in the hydraulic chamber for the levelers. This is like the silliest place in the world to put this. This is the hydraulic reservoir for the leveling jacks. That's the cap I have to take off to fill this, get that dinger to quit. And back behind that, there's some T-valves. I don't know if you can see them, but that's what you use to clear the system or to raise the jacks if they don't want to come up. Anyway, trying to get fluid in this is going to be fun. They just put it in the worst place they could have possibly put it. It's very difficult to get up in there. It's very difficult to get the cap off. And it's even more difficult to even get any fluid in it without spilling it everywhere. Alright, looks like about 15 minutes. I'm going to put some cheese on it. Finish melting that on there. We'll be ready. I gathered up a bunch more of those agates, and I've got them in the tumbler now. I didn't have any tumbling media, so I rounded up some of this dirt and a little bit of sand that I could find down at the riverbed there, the gully, ravine, whatever you want to call it. And that's what I'm using for a tumbling media. But I don't expect this to polish the rocks. I'm just trying to clean up the rocks to see if it's actually worth doing. So we'll let those run for a few days. Not solid. Whenever I'm running the gen, they'll be running. And we'll see what happens with those. See if it's worth doing anything with or not. I know they're not gems of any sort, but I thought they looked pretty cool if you made necklaces out of them or something. I don't know. Anyway, we'll see how they come out. And then I did my regular maintenance checks. You know, check the belts, the oil, that type of stuff. So yeah, it's been a pretty full day. I was going to get the metal detector out today and do some metal detecting. Never did. But anyway, looking like food's about ready. Alright, looking good. Alright, looks good. Wish I had some lettuce and tomato to go on there though. Oh well. Some chips, this, it'll work. Well, that was really good. I've done those fillets in the microwave before using the convection and the brown, and they definitely didn't come out that good. So, yep, Flavor Wave's the new way for me to do these fish fillets, which I do like these fish fillets. I really do. Gordon's makes good fish fillets. Anyway, I got a mess to clean up. Get ready for bed. Hope you guys had a great night, great day. Peace out, people.
Thank you.